Give them the whole
Pause. I'm gonna go like this.
Woo! Everyone's gonna clap.
Making his way back down, Colleen. It says here that the first thing I'm going to do is welcome everybody. And Shannon.
Hi guys.
Ready? Kaylee already has her hands on the camcorder. Hi. You didn't know I was coming? No.
Do you have any advice for Dante and Steph?
Listen to Steph. Whatever Steph says, she knows what she's talking about.
Always have fun and don't take life too seriously. Cheers. Love you guys. Do you have any words of advice for the future Mr. and Mrs. Rosano?
Always say I love you before you go to sleep. Always.
Yes, just be funny and laugh a lot together.
Dante, do you have a message for your bride-to-be?
I love you so much, and I can't wait to marry you, and I can't wait for a lifetime of love, laughter, and happiness.
Cheers to Steph and Dante.
Love you guys.
We love you guys. We're so excited for you guys. We cannot wait to see you guys get married. Dantalish, get with your bride. Steph is stunning. Dantalish.